Hello friends, I am Swapun and welcome to your favorite channel Canvas. Friends, today we will draw this one. And how we'll draw this one? At first, we'll complete a gesture drawing properly. Then we will complete the background. After completing the background, we can do more detailing. Okay, so see, this gesture drawing is very important for us. Why? Because if we want to draw this one, so we should draw her drawing step by step. See, here I have shown some very easier geometrical shapes. At first, you have to draw some geometrical shapes. After that, we can add so many things. Okay. Friends, see, if I divide the page into 4 equal pieces, then it will be too easy to draw the drawing. So when you will draw the composition or scenery, at that time we have to find out the particular box. See, here we have to draw from first box half face. Okay, see, why we are divide the page, it's a very important thing. If we want to make this composition same like me, then we have to follow, or you can divide the page into 4 equal pieces. Okay, so friends, see, this drawing is a very interesting, and here we can see the very easier steps. So I suggest you that if you want to draw this one properly, so just try to follow my steps. Okay, and I'm sure that you can draw this one like me, and you will be feel you are also very good artist. So if just you have to follow the process or my steps. Okay, and after that we have to complete the background also. Okay, and the background is not too tough, but when you draw the road, village road especially, at that time you have to apply the perspective drawing. Do you know? You should learn the perspective also, because far and near, how you should apply, you have to know the process. Here it's not possible to show the process, but when you draw the road, at that time you have to apply the near and far, the distance properly. Okay, and friends, I told so many times that after completing this one, that you don't forget to share your drawing to me, and if you need any help, you can ask me. And if you love this video, please don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. Okay, bye all of you.